After a great 11-year career in Japan's Central League, Kenshin Kawakami wanted to see just how good he really was. In January, he signed a contract with the Atlanta Braves, and on Saturday night, he officially became the first Japanese player to wear a Braves uniform, taking on the Washington Nationals, and Kawakami was locked in. Second inning, facing Austin Kearns, and Kearns, what are you looking at? Jesus Flores waving the wand, coming up empty, and John Lannon has no chance. He was just browsing. Kawakami had 8 strikeouts. Top of the third, Ryan Zimmerman says, "Welcome to the major leagues." Shoots one to right, a 2-run rip, 3-0 Nationals. Bottom of the third, Braves get one back. Kelly Johnson, and we have liftoff. The crush to right center field, that's not coming back. Braves down 3-1. Bottom of the fourth, 2 on. It's Johnson again. Rips one to left center field. That's going to go for a double. Casey Kochman, Jordan Schaefer scored, game tied at 3 apiece. Then it's Chipper, the single to left. Johnson scores 4-3 Braves. Bottom of the 8th, Yunel Escobar. The single to right field. Schaefer scores. Escobar went 2 for 3, now hitting .429. Braves win it 5-3. Kawakami gets his first Major League victory. He worked 6 solid innings, giving up 3 runs on 4 hits while striking out 8. Rookie Jordan Schaefer continues to impress. He went 3 for 4. He's now hitting .421. The Nats, they are a Major League worst 0-5.